Friends, I am very much sure that you would have known someone in whose life the problem never goes away. Like this person is always in a crisis or in a chaos mode. So even if you do not know the birth time or the astrological chart of that person, I can tell you for sure that this person might have a problem connected with the 8th house, or this person might be going through a period of an activated 8th house which is afflicted. So now comes the question that what could be the remedies which can be recommended. Now friends, be mindful of this thing that some of the very strange and the esoteric remedy which are advised in astrology, they are generally connected with the 8th house, because this is not an easy house to deal with. So if you are facing the heat because of this house to be afflicted in your chart, so even the remedies which you have to perform might be esoteric. Like in one of the province in India, Punjab, so one of the field of astrology which is called as the Lal Kitab, Red Book, which is very popular over there, and this is a field which is primarily based on the remedies. So for the majority of the 8th house connected affliction, it is being recommended over there to go to the cremation ground, and then you have to either like bury something, hide something, or donate something over there. Now comes the question, why? Because 8th house in our whole astrological chart is the house of the death. This is the house of the transformation. This is the house of the life force. Even in my case, friends, when my 8th house got activated, the knowledge of the occult happened later, but initially even I was going through accidents and the majority of the problems. But when I started like going to the cremation ground, especially when I was keeping the Lord Kal Bhairav fasting, and I used to go there to seek the blessing of the Lord Kal Bhairav, but in the cremation ground all of my problems went away. So that generally tells about that if you actually want to know about some esoteric remedy connected with the 8th house, the best solution for you is if you can donate for the funeral or the cremation rites of someone poor, someone who cannot afford the funeral rites. Or this could be a case that even if any of the funeral home around your place, and if they are in need of something, and if they are open towards donation, so making any donation towards those funeral homes will definitely work as a best remedy for your 8th house.